mighty coconut. Cute coconuts. Drinking tea. I don't know what that is. No idea what that is. Well, everyone, we're back with another video. The Walkabout minigolf. What is this? Let me back. Where's the... How do I go back? Okay. So we're back with another video on Walkabout minigolf. Playing Seagull Stacks in Arizona Modern. And I really love... Why does it keep doing this? Because I really loved this game. It was really fun to play. And yeah, so look at all the balls we found. I chose the British ball because I like it the most. And I have the green putter, so yeah. Let's get into Seagull Stacks. I've never done this before. So I've never done these maps before. If you haven't checked out part 1, go check out part 1 right now. That was decent. Oh yeah, one thing that was really annoying is the music. So I'm gonna turn that down. I'm gonna quit and then I'm gonna turn that down. Because the music was so loud in the last video. Okay, there we go. It's not that bad now. Where's my controller on the ground? Okay. That's a better shot. My controller keeps going in the ground. What the heck? Okay. Where am I? I'm right here. My boundary keeps showing. That's my stupid controller. Okay. There we go. Ah, come. Yay! Car? Bogey. Oh! Missing ball. That's right. Where is it? I don't know. Find it sometime. Missing ball. That was cool. I don't know why I keep calling it a missing ball. It's a lost. Just made it in the water. I call myself a pro at this game, but I also suck. Can I hit these seagulls with my golf ball? Because they're getting really annoying right now. There we go. Double bogey. Ball? No ball. Oh, man. Oh, that was good. Oh, I thought that was going to be a thing. Okay, there has to be a ball on these rocks or something. Maybe over here? Over here, over here, over here. Ball. Should be a ball on each hole. I'm just bad at finding them. Or, there we go. Yes, I'm very good. I'm very good at this game. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Pretty nice. Now where's the ball? Where's the ball? There we go. That one blended in. You can blend in with the rocks sometimes too. Mine is so trash. Okay. Let's hold up here. I know I can just teleport to my ball, but I like teleporting up the hill. Oh, easy. That was so easy. Okay, I have a feeling I know where the missing ball is going. Somewhere around here. Maybe in here? Nope. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it's in here. I don't know. Could be anywhere. Found it. Oh, I'm going the short way. That costed me. I saw it. Oh, I can also go around there? Well, I didn't know that. I can really blow that in. Okay. Sometimes the ball is just really obvious where it is. Sometimes it's literally the most hard thing ever. Okay. Oh. Where are you, ball? That could have made it in, but it didn't. I'm so trash. But I like the game. The game is fun. No flag. Oh, this one's evil. Because of that! No! Yes! No! Yes! I'm safe! Now I have to go find the missing ball. Whoa. I went all the way up here. Oh my gosh. I am a pro. And there's the missing ball. Beach ball. Not really, but still. It has to be the missing ball here. You know I always take the shortcut. That's what I do. There we go. I'm a pro. If I just jump off in the ocean. And yeah. Well, I'm feeling this is going to be a long haul. Oh, never mind. Okay, the water though. Some more water. How am I doing this? I'm not even that good at this game. I'm literally like a robot. I've almost made it. Is this the last hole? This might be the last hole. Whoa, you gotta go down there. What? Where's he going? Oh. That was good. I don't even know where the missing ball is. Half these, so I'm not even really trying anymore. Oh, come on. Oh, this one's easy. I didn't realize it dropped off there. Rock! This one's just about impossible. That's what this one is. Hit the rock, yes. When there's no ball on the hole, who you gonna call? The Red American Monkey. He will not find the ball, but he will try because he's so bad at this game right now. And he does not know how to play the game. Again, he does not know how to. I mean, he knows how to play the game, but he's very bad at it. Like that. It's impossible to get a hole in one this way. I've never gotten it one time. I just found the ball. Like a, I don't know what to call it. Fancy ball. Checkers ball. Except it's not fully checkers. No quacking. Okay. Of course I make it down the bad one. And I turn it good. I turn the bad one to good. I'm like a superhero. Oh, that was actually the good one. Okay. That's cool. I have an idea. Get that ball at first. There we go. See, now I can just hit it. Bang. See? My ideas are so good. Okay, that hole's gonna be fun. Fun hole alert. Come on. Bing. Okay. Thank you. Oh. I thought this dropped down. This hole is not gonna be fun. Moon ball. I kind of want to use the moon ball. I'm gonna use the moon ball. Wish I could play with my friends, but my friends don't have the game because it costs money. I should play with some random people. Anyway, maybe sometime. Okay. Why am I this good? Why is there no ball in each hole? That? What is going on? Is it every 2 holes or something? Because I can't find it. Found it. Can be completely off the hole. I don't even know that. How many holes are there? There's 18, but it feels like there's 90. Okay, if that would have gone like not that high, then it would have been good. Wow. I need the country balls. The American one. Where is that? Yay! Oh, that was it. Okay. Alright, we're at the main menu. All the balls are going in. Oh, that's cool. You're just coming from nowhere? Yeah, okay. Alright, moon ball. Moon ball. Okay. Got that. We didn't get the cherry blossom. Because, we didn't score below. We didn't score below par or collect 10 less balls. We didn't do any of those. Okay. Let's do Arizona Modern. This one looks cool. Okay. Okay, we're actually starting off really cool. This might be my favorite track so far. So far, mine is the first map. Course, trap. Oh, come on, I get in like the worst one. This one's cool. My favorite is tourist trap. I like this ball too. What the heck? This map is so cool. Oh, come on. Look at it though, too. Oh, that could have went in. Where's the lost ball? I have a feeling the lost balls are going to be really hard to find on this one. That thing's cool. Lightning ball, I'm using it. Oh. What is this? You gotta jump from hole to hole. I like this. last ball. Ow. I just hit something with my foot, and now my foot hurts really bad. It's cool. Last ball, where are you? Oh, come on! Hey, oh. Thank you. I don't even know where this goes. I'm just gonna wing it. Oh, it goes up there. Okay. Okay. No lost ball. I can't find it. This flat. Okay. Dude, this map is so cool. It's so hard too. Okay, tell me why they added this. This is the worst hole. I'm gonna reach the stroke limit. I already know. How does that happen? I go all the way around. Don't you do it again. Okay. Oh, come on. Dude, that's such a cool stairway. I'm gonna go up that. It's cool. Like, oh, I have an idea. It might not be the right way. It's the way I'm gonna do it. And that's probably why it's not the right way. And neither is that. Like, bro. Billy Bob Joe, what is going on? I wanted to go like that, but didn't really work. Missing ball? Do you think there's ever going to be a lost ball in the hole? That'd be evil. Because you'd never know. You'd never think to look in the hole after you get your golf ball in there. You just go to the next hole, but nope. That would be evil. I don't think they would do that, though. What the? This is like a Fall Guys map, man. And I suck. I suck at Fall Guys, so I'm gonna suck at this. I don't even really want a game of Fall Guys. What the heck? Okay, I'm literally about to quit. I'm gonna stand my way. Yay! I'm gonna reach the stroke limit, I already know. What the Billy Bob Joe is this? Wow. Hiya! I wanted it to go. That would've been cool. But nope. Is that? Skirt. Perfect. Perfect. Hole in one. Hole in one. Hole in one. Hole in one. Oh no, it comes out. Perfect. Bruh! That was cool, hold on. All these holes are cool. This is my new favorite map for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna take my safe way. Ow. My ball just got lost. Oh, this is not working. Billy Bob Joe, let's go. Okay. Bang. What was I supposed to do there again? Where's the hole? I don't even know where the hole is. Oh, that's cool. They gave me a hole in one. And that wouldn't have been a hole in one, but okay. Has to be a ball somewhere in there. Yep. Golf ball. Golf. Every ball is a golf ball. How do you get up there? Oh. Guys, don't be like me. I'm so bad. What? Now. Hey. I'm so bad. And. Stroke limit. I'm gonna get so unlucky. At least I found the lost ball. Yeah, stroke. This hole is evil. I'm just gonna stand right here until I get it. So never. I have a good idea. If I just wing it. Okay, I might go the easy way. Think. No, I'm gonna go the hard way. There we go. That's how you were supposed to do it. How is that the stroke? Oh, easy. I didn't realize that. I didn't realize that. I thought I was supposed to go all the way around. I was like, easy. But it turns out it wasn't so easy. Okay, this one's gonna be a pain. Excuse me, what? Yeah. Triple bogey. Oh. I'm just gonna try it. Because I want to. That's cool. Freaking cool. I'm gonna look for the last one. What the heckers? Bump. There we go. Please get me in the hole in 3, 2, 1. I'll be back in a sec, guys. Bye. Here we go. This is a long one. Oh, my controller. My other controller is glitching again. Okay. My aim just sucks. 1 second. Okay, so if it goes right here, I gotta aim left. Now it goes left. So why, when I aim straight, it doesn't go straight? Finally. I'm gonna do that exact thing. And I reached the stroke limit. Oh, that was it. That was it. There, boss. I started recording just in time. Lightning ball. Alright. The other ones are always so cool. Alright. Well, it's gonna be it for this video. And as always, we gotta leave it off with a little driving range shot. There we go. See you guys next video. Peace out, boys.